I love everything about the FASTBACK because you put a piece of stone in one end and it prints a piece of money on the other side.
The speed. You're just crushing it through.
Done.
It's been the fastest return on investment. You can polish, for pennies per lineal foot. It's a great addition to any shop.
They're worth every penny. They really are. That's why I have two. That's why I bought a second one this year.
It's going to save you tons of hours and labor.
Every shop should have a FASTBACK.